the total fatalities to 160. Now, while updating the country on the rains havoc, government spokesperson Isaac Mwaura stated that heavy rains will continue to be experienced in western and central areas of the country.
Regrettably, 6 fatalities have been reported in the last 24 hours. That is 1 adult in Kilifi, 3 adults in Taita Taveta, 1 adult in Narok, and 1 adult in Homa Bay counties. This has raised the toll to 160 deaths of fellow Kenyans.
Mwaura further emphasized that approximately 31 buildings and 36 schools have been submerged, 31 schools out of reach, 5 schools continue to play a host of affected families, while the outbreak of cholera affecting a total of 105 people with 3 deaths recorded as a result in Lamu County.
Weather forecasts indicate continued rainfall in the Central Highlands, Western Kenya, Lake Victoria Basin, Southeastern Lowlands, and the coast this week beginning 5th of December to 11th of December. Conversely, dry conditions are expected in northeastern and northwestern Kenya, except Garissa, where occasional rainfall is anticipated.
A total of 49 hospital facilities have been damaged, while 352 people have been affected in Kakuma, with the government distributing 1.4 million animal vaccines in the affected counties.
Approximately 520,000 persons from 824 households have been displaced by the ongoing floods. The government has thus set up 9 additional camps.
Similar sentiments have been recorded across the country, as more than 15,000 families from Lareta area of Samburu East have been affected by the Elnino rains, as reported by Red Cross organization in Samburu County. The General Director of the organization in Samburu County, Maurice Onyango, confirmed that the Weather Forecaster Department report indicates, as he pleads with the residents who live in flooding areas to move to safer parts to avoid further adversity.
Katika eneo hili jumla tunasema watu zaidi ya 13,000 familia wameweza kuathirika katika hizi kaunti 3. Jambo la muhimu ni ya kwamba wale ambao wanatuelimisha kupitia hali ya anga wanasema mvua bado itazidi kunyesha, na tunazidi kuhamasisha watu wetu ya kwamba wakuwe waangalifu, waweze kutoka zile sehemu ambazo ni za chini ambao wanaweza kusombwa na maji, waweze kwenda katika zile eneo salama ili tusiweze kupoteza maisha hata moja.
Stanley Lugaria, Look Up TV.